Hello, Sunny. Good evening. Hello, Sunny. Good evening.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
I'm happy.
Wow, that's nice, Sunny. What did you have for dinner tonight?
Hmm, I didn't eat.
Oh, you haven't eaten yet?
No,
Oh, what did you say?
no,
Oh, have you eaten dinner yet? Yes or not yet?
not yet.
Not yet. Oh, same. Okay. Now, Sunny, today we're going to look at the picture. Okay, this is the picture. Then you draw lines and make sentences. So look at this one. This is only an example. The child in the park is riding his bike. Okay. Now look at this one. Number one. What about number two? Look, you can do it, Sunny. What sentence can you make, Sunny? Okay. Wow, very. The person in the green jacket is looking at the duck. Nice. Okay, there's another example. Four people are sitting on the bus. Now, what about the women in the park? Let's look at the women in the park. Oh, there's no women in the park in here. So you can make your own sentence, Sunny. You can do it, Sunny. Wow. All right. The women in the park, where? Oh, the two children on the bus is flying his bike. Okay. Are
Okay,
you done, Sunny?
yes.
Okay. Now let's look at this one. Thank you for your answer, Sunny. Great. Okay, now look, we have two children. That means many, plural. So if it's gonna be two children, we use are. Two children on the bus are, okay, are, oh, can you do it again, Sunny? What about this one? The women in the park is, is, oh, let's look at this one, Sunny. In here, we have the child in the park. Okay, let's use different color for each. Okay, so I will delete this one first. Then let's do it again. Like this one. Let me give you an example so that it would be clean. Look, the children in the park. is riding his bike. Okay. Now, what about the person in the green jacket? Let me use brown. The oh, four people. Okay, since we have the child, that's only one, so we use is. Okay, but since we have four people, we use are. Four people are sitting on the bus. Now your turn, Sunny. The person in the green jacket. Nice. Is looking at the ducks. Nice. Okay, what about the women in the park? Women, that means plural. So is that is or are? All right. The women in the park are, let's use are, because women, that means two or more.
Hmm.
Okay, are cleaning, are cleaning at the girl. Try again,
Yeah.
Sunny. How do they clean the girl?
Mm,
Okay, we don't clean the girl. Okay, if for example, can teacher AM clean Sunny? No, I can't. You can clean your own self. You can take a shower. Okay, so what about the two women? What do you think is the best pair for the two women in the park? What can we do in the park? Yes, are cleaning a helicopter. Very good. Okay, now look, two children. Is that singular, which is one, or plural, which is many? That's that's plural, right? Okay. Now, since it's plural, so what are we going to say? Is or are?
Yes.
Are. Plural means two or more. Okay, two children on the bus are, what's your answer?
Uh,
Are flying, are flying at a girl. All right. Thank you for that one, Sunny. Okay, so I'm going to give you this one big star. Very good. Okay, now look, we have the person in the green jacket is, let's say, flying a helicopter. Okay, four people. What are the four people doing? Four people are sitting on the bus. The women in the park are looking at the ducks. Two children in the bus are cleaning. Hmm, at a girl. No, they cannot clean a girl. Okay, let's just say are riding on the bus. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, let's look at this one, Sunny. We use is if it's only one. All right. We have are if it's many. Okay, now let's practice more, Sunny. Look, look. We have the girl. Is it is or are?
Is.
Very good. The girl is sitting on a chair. What about the children? Is or are?
Are.
Nice. Okay, complete the sentence. The children are.
Actually, cleaning the bus.
Very good. Are riding the bus. Great. Okay, riding the bus. Okay, what about boys or the boys? Is or are?
Are.
Very good. The boys are flying a helicopter. Well done, Sunny. Wow. So give me a high five, Sunny. Very good. You've got this. One big star. Nice. Now let's look at this one. We circle and write about what you're doing with your friend last weekend. Okay. Oh, like what you're doing with your friends in class. Let's pretend that you are in class right now and you have friends, your imaginary friends. Okay, now this is an example. My class is a small class. So there are how many? Okay, this is an example. There are 6 children in my class. There are how many girls are there in your class, Sunny?
My class is small. There are hmm, there are 25.
How many?
Hmm.
25. Very good. There are 25 children in my class. So how many girls are there?
There are hmm,
9.
there are goes in equals in hmm,
Okay. 25 minus 8. There are very good. There are 17 boys.
for you have a translation. Her name is the is the rock.
Very good.
Today we learn about reading about
You're learning about English, Vietnamese, maths, science.
mm,
Are you learning about animals?
mm,
What do you usually learn about in school, Sunny?
mm,
Let me see. Wow, very good. That's a very long sentence about things that you wear on your body. Okay, what do some children do? Are they playing? Are they talking? Are they drawing?
mm,
Okay. Wow, drawing pictures about animals. Nice. Okay, what's the boy doing in your class? One boy is
mm.
Wow, you're writing long sentences. Great. One boy is reading book in the class. Reading a book in the class. Great. Okay, what about the girl? One girl is two more blanks, Sunny. You're halfway there.
Mm,
Do you need some help, Sunny?
no.
Okay, you can do it. Wow, great. One girl is playing paper in the house. Nice. Okay, now we aren't blank in class today. This is the last one, Sunny. We're almost done.
Mm, okay.
Very good. We aren't playing in the class today. Well done, Sunny. Wow. I'm proud of you because there is a progress in writing and you are writing so neatly. because you're using your keyboard. I appreciate it, Sunny. For that, you've got 4 stars. Very good, Sunny. Okay, give me a high five, Sunny. Nice. Okay, but I have a question for you. Who is Miss Lone? Who is your teacher Lone? Is this a woman or a man?
A woman.
Very good. So what are we going to use? Her or his?
Oh,
Great. Is it Mrs. or Mr.?
Mister.
Mrs. If it's a woman, we say Mrs. If it's a man, we say Mr. Now, this time, Sunny, look and read your answer. My class,
My class is big. There are 25 children in my class. There are 8 girls and 17 boys. We've got a friendly teacher. Her name is Miss Ron. Today we will learn about things that you wear on your body. Some children are drawing pictures about animals. One boy is reading a book in the class, and one boy is playing people in the house. We are playing in class today.
wow, well done, Sunny. Okay, now look at your story. It's fantastic, and I am impressed by your ideas in completing the sentences in here. Great job for that, Sunny. So now, Sunny, look, listen, and answer in a complete sentence. What's the name of the boy who's reading a book in your class?
His name is Nam.
Nice. How old is he?
He 6 years old.
Wow, great. Who is older, Nam or you?
No.
You don't know. Who's older, you or Nam?
Hmm. Sure.
Great. Okay. So what's your favorite thing to do in your class, Sunny?
In class, I play. Um, I play with my friends. In the school,
Wow,
I
very
play
good.
chess.
Oh, that's really interesting, Sunny. How many best friends have you got in your class?
I have 7.
Wow, that's a lot. How many girls?
Hmm. 6.
6. Okay, then you are the seventh person, right or no?
Yes.
Very good. Well done, Sunny. Okay, now look at this one, Sunny. So this time you listen and read, then act. Here it is, Sunny. Oh, also, I'm sorry, it's already time. So we'll continue with this next week. Okay, so well done, Sunny. Let's count the stars that you've got. You've got 6 stars, 2 big stars and 4 small stars. Keep up the good work. I can see progress on how you organize your ideas in writing a story. Okay, that's great. Sunny, you are a brilliant student. Have a good night, Sunny. See you next week.
Hi, teacher.
Bye.